Hi guys, today we're back with another wig install. Today's wig is from Yolissa Hair. Look at the inside of the wig, it's so pretty. Guys, this lace is literally HD lace. Here I am just cutting my ear tabs, and then after I cut my ear tabs, I think I cut my ear tabs on both sides, I believe. This hair came pre-braided, so I didn't even have to style it. Like literally, they parted out the edges for me already. All I had to do was just do my edges by my ears. The lace of this wig is HD. It is so pretty. I didn't feel like gluing my hair down because I've been wearing a lot of wigs the past few days, so I just used the spray on it. I'm trying to put my hair into place. I didn't want it to move back too much. I didn't want my forehead to look humongous because my tan line be showing really bad. But I'm just cutting the other side of my ear tabs now. This is so hard. Like every time I try to cut my ear tabs, I have to be very, very focused every single time. After that, now I'm adding makeup to my lace. I didn't add too much makeup. I just added enough. And now I'm spraying the hair down with my ebony spray. This red ebony spray is really the key to having melted lace, bro. Like, even when you don't glue your hair down with, like, regular glue and you just use ebony spray, your lace is going to look melted. Like, this lace melts lace, even if it's not HD lace. But this wig is HD lace. But even if it wasn't HD lace, it would still be melted because that's how good ebony spray is. Now I'm going to tie my hair down with the headband that came with the wig. This headband was so pretty. I love pink. If anything that comes with pink, I love it. Like, I'm always going to love it every single time. But now I took my headband off and I'm adding more makeup to the lace just to make it like melt more into my skin. Guys, I literally forgot to put makeup on my wig cap, but this lace is so HD, like you can literally see through the lace and you can see that my wig cap is not like my makeup shade, but the hair still came out pretty. That's all that really matters. After that, now I'm gonna part out my edges. I like to start off on the side of my ears with the edges, but because when you spray your ebony spray, the hair actually like lays down. You have to like use your rat tail comb and comb the hair out first before parting out your edges. But here I am just parting out my edges. I'm kind of like going in the same way the wig came because they already came like with a little bit of edges. I had to like add a little bit more edges to make it more dramatic because you guys know I love drama. Now I'm just hot combing my edges to the front as always. You always have to make sure you're hot combing the edges like really well so that it could stay in place. So when you like actually carve it, it looks like really pretty. And when I do my edges, I love to use mousse. I don't like to use anything else but mousse because like gel makes your edges so strong and I don't like that. Like because I be having to take my wig off like the next day, so I don't like to put gel on my hair. So I like mousse. It makes it like soft and like cute baby hairs. That's what I like. After I finish doing my edges, I'm gonna spray the hair again with some ebony and then tie it down with the same headband that came with the wig. I'm just cutting the edges. I like to cut my edges like right above my eyebrows. That's how I determine how short to cut my edges, because if I cut it too short, it will look bad. So I just try to like cut it on top of my eyebrows, and then when I'm carving it out, however much shorter I want it to be, then I could fix that. Because you can always go shorter, but you can't go longer when you cut the wig too short. I mean, cut the hair too short. So that's a tip for you guys. Now that my edges is done and everything is all set, I'm gonna tie the hair down again just to make sure that my edges does not lift. And we're done. This hair was so pretty. The texture of this hair, like, look at how good those curls look from the back. They look so good. Like, it's so pretty. Yolissa Hair, you ate with this one. And this was my lace HD frontal only. Only HD frontal. It's so pretty. The only thing that you can see on my lace is the fact that I didn't blend in my wig cap. But this lace is so HD, like, you can see through the lace, literally. But this hair was so pretty. This has been just like putting it to the front. It was so cute. I love this hair so much, guys. I'm going to make sure I link this hair down below for you guys so you can easily get it. It's so pretty. This hair is from Yolissa Hair. Make sure you get yours now. Bye. I love you.